Well, I'm standing here in a soybean field that got hit with hail yesterday. So there's a few beans on the ground here. And almost none on the plants. Four beans per square foot is 1 bushel per acre. I tried to count and I was between 60 and 100 beans per square foot, so I think easily we've lost 15, 20 bushels per acre. These beans are almost ready for harvest. Hail just knocked them right off the pods. All these pods are split open by the hail. Beans are laying there right now, but they'll fall out before we get here with the combine. So the field's still yielding about 40 bushels per acre, but I can see all the beans on the ground and they're already sprouted in between the rows. They will get killed by the next frost. Well, I guess I should have been paying attention. See if the reverser can help me out here. Well, that was almost a lot of work, but luckily we're going again. There's all the beans that got hailed and knocked right out of the pods. Already growing. So the beans are a little greener than what I wanted. And the moisture is a little higher than normally would as well. But the beans that are damaged, the pods are actually cracked open. And if we get another rain or another windy day, more beans are going to fall on the ground. So we've decided to do this field first and just deal with the extra drying charges or any dockage from green beans. So I just got to the grain elevator and I heard a bit of a squeak going down the road. And I looked around. This is a new wagon. This is what I found. That one's still tight. And that one's tight. This whole wheel is about to come off. Two lug nuts are still tight. Same on the other side. I guess I should retorque my lug nuts after every 100 kilometers. That would have been bad. I weighed 47 tons on the scale there. I think that when I used these brakes for the first time, things warmed up, allowing me nuts to come loose. Good morning. We're back here in the same field. I finished combining the soybeans yesterday, and today I'm planting winter wheat. So I've got liquid fertilizer in that tank that's pumping out directly into the seed trench. I've also got a new camera inside the seed box. It's pretty hard to see there, but I can tell that I still have seed in there, so I don't need to get out of the tractor to check it. I'll know when I need to go and fill up.